Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing the quick solutions of All India Caste Test Series Test 2A Paper 1 Mathematics, which was held on 12 January 2020. Let us start with question number 41. Which of the following is true for the parabola y equal to x square minus 2x minus 3? A very simple question, right? So let's begin it. Here it is given that y is equal to, let us convert it into a perfect square. So we will get x minus 1 whole square minus 4. That is y plus 4 is equal to x minus 1 whole square. So this is of the form x square equal to 4ay, right? Now here vertex is 1 comma minus 4. So this is incorrect. Focus here is 0 comma a. So here we will say x minus 1 comma y plus 4 is equal to 0 comma a. A here is 1 by 4. So x comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 4 plus 1 by 4, that will be minus 15 by 4. So option number B is correct. Focus is 1 comma minus 15 by 4. Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum here is 4a. So here it is 1. So this is correct. Vertex is 1 comma minus 4. This is also correct. So answer is B, C and D. Next is question number 42, which says the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word HAVANA so that V and N do not appear together. Again, a very simple question. Here the letters are H, A, V, A, N, A. So we have 3 A's and H, V, N. V and N should not appear together. So let us firstly arrange these 4 letters. Number of ways of arranging these 4 letters is 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial, because 3 of them are alike, right? Now after arranging these 4, in between these 4 we have 5 spaces. So from these 5 spaces, let us select any 2 spaces and arrange V and N in 2 factorial ways. I hope this is clear. So these are the number of ways, that is equal to 4 multiplied with 10 into 2, that is 20. So that is 80. So correct answer is option number A. Also, another method of solving this method is that we can find the total number of ways of arranging these letters. So total number of ways of arranging these letters is, in total we have 6 letters. So 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial. This is the total number of ways of arranging it. Now let us find the number of ways in which V and N appear together. If V and N appear together, so let us assume it as one entity. So now we have in total 5 letters, right? Let us assume we have 5 letters because this is 1 now, right? So these 5 can be arranged in 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial ways, because 3 of them are alike, right? Also V and N can arrange among themselves in 2 factorial ways, right? So the required number of ways N is equal to, N1 is 6 into 5 into 4. That is 20 into 6, that is 120. So N is equal to 120 minus N2. N2 is 5 into 4, that is 20 into 2, that is 40. So this is N1 minus N2. So this is again equal to 80. So correct answer is again option number A. Next is question number 43, which says if a normal to a parabola y square equal to 4ax having slope m subtends a right angle at the vertex, then we have to find the value of m. Let us say these are the coordinate axes and this is the parabola, and we have a normal drawn here like this. Let us say at point A, and point A is a t1 square comma 2a t1, and this point B is a t2 square comma 2a t2. Now if a normal at A passes through B, then we know the relation between t1 t2. T2 is equal to minus T1 minus 2 divided by T1. Now, here it has been given that this chord is subtending a right angle at the center. So, we say that M1 into M2 is minus 1, that is 2AT1 minus 0 divided by AT1 square minus 0 multiplied with similarly 2AT2 upon AT2 square. M1 into M2 is minus 1. So from here we are left with T1 T2 is equal to minus 4. This is the relation that we get from here, right? Now from 1 and 2. Let us solve equation number 1. We get T1 T2 is equal to minus T1 square minus 2. T1 T2 is minus 4. So T1 square is equal to 2, which means that T1 is equal to plus minus root 2. Now we know that here M will be equal to minus of T1. So this is again equal to plus minus root 2. So from the given options, option number A and D are correct. Next is question number 44, which says an infinite geometrical progression has first term x and the sum 5. The value of x can be. See, we know that sum of infinite series is a divided by 1 minus r, right? And this is only possible if mod r is less than 1. Only then summation of infinite GP will be finite. So here it has been given that first term is x, and let us say common ratio is again r. So this is equal to 5. It has been given to us. So x by 5 is equal to 1 minus r, or r is equal to 1 minus x by 5. That is 5 minus x upon 5. So this is r. Now we know that 5 minus x upon 5, it should go from minus 1 to 1. That is minus 5 is less than 5 minus x is less than 5. So minus x is greater than minus 10 is less than 0. That is x will belong from 0 to 10. So the value of x can be, this is not possible, not possible, possible, possible. So correct answer is C and D. Next is question number 45, which says if A, B and C are in AP with common difference 4 and CAB are in GP with common ratio R, then we have to answer the following options. See, it has been given that ABC are in AP with common difference 4. So we can assume B as A plus 4 and C as A plus 2 times D. That is A plus D. So it has been given that CAB are in GP, which means that A square is equal to C into B. So A square is equal to C, that is A plus 8 into B, that is A plus 4. So solving this further, we have A square equal to A square plus 12A plus 32. So cancelling these, we have 12A equal to minus 32, that is A is equal to minus 8 upon 3. So this is the value of A. Now from here let us find R. Now common ratio R is equal to A upon C, that is equal to minus 8 by 3 divided by C. C is A plus 8, that is 8 minus 8 by 3. This is equal to minus 8 divided by 24 minus 8, that is minus 8 divided by 16, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So option number C is correct and B is incorrect. Now also let's find the value of A plus B plus C, and that will be equal to 3A plus 12. Now 3A is minus 8, so minus 8 plus 12, that is equal to 4. So correct answer is A and